The world is changing, and it's changing really rapidly. Human societies have started to generate an enormous amount of data generated by your mobile, social media like Twitter, like Facebook, sensors, satellites, collecting data, constantly beaming all this data back. There's a need for a discipline that understands and teaches how to organize all this data, to look at their patterns and try to understand how everything works.
Data science is an umbrella term for using data to explain the world around us, using computational, statistical, mathematical methods.
The Bachelor of Data Science is about an interdisciplinary approach to this field that brings together both the technical components that you need, particular models, particular algorithms, but then also the particular domain that is being applied to. A lot of times if you just major in one of the technical components like computer science or statistics or data science, then you don't understand how these models are actually applied to real problems. And then on the other hand, if you just major in linguistics or cognitive science or something like this, then you learn a lot about the underlying theory and how things work, but then you don't know how to connect that to solving some problem. So really it's about joining those two things together.
The Bachelor of Data Science is taught in a combination of lectures and tutorials and labs and workshops, and the degree is very focused on the practical. So while you may be in lectures some of the time, a lot of the time you'll be in computer labs or you'll be in actual labs, or maybe you might even be lucky enough to get out into the field and collect data in real time.
One of the advantages of the degree is that you take courses with a wide range of faculty across different areas. And the nice thing is that you get different perspectives and different experiences when you take those kinds of classes.
Everyone who studies the Bachelor of Data Science starts by learning a really broad and common skill set. So you'll learn computational methods, statistical methods, mathematical methods, and then within each major you'll learn additional skills that are specific to each particular subject area.
There are 5 majors in the Bachelor of Data Science. Computational linguistics is also called natural language processing, but it's about creating artificial intelligence that can interact with humans using language data.
People who do population health data science are interested to look at data and interrogate data and understand how health of societies are impacted, how disease spreads, and there's a great amount of overlap with epidemiology.
Bioinformatics is methods of analysing, interpreting, and managing large biological data sets in a statistically informed manner.
Spatial data science. This is computer science, maths and stats, and then geographic information systems or geography.
You can also major in data science within the Bachelor of Data Science. And the idea there is to give you more options within that technical core so that you can expand on what kinds of algorithms or what kinds of areas you study. But also there's more room for elective courses and students can bring together the different disciplines that they're interested in.
There's a huge market for people that have the computational, the mathematical, the statistical skills, also paired with the unique knowledge of the particular subject.
A lot of people who work in data science end up working for technology companies, so places like Google or Salesforce. Increasingly, there's also a need for data scientists in hospitality and tourism or marketing.
There's a huge demand in central government.
Regional councils, companies that do geographic information systems, Crown Research Institutes.
Given that the field itself is so emerging and it's so disruptive and it's evolving all the time, I think there are likely lots of opportunities there that we don't quite know about yet. I think the Bachelor of Data Science is a fantastic degree for people who feel like they really love science, but they can't necessarily see themselves as being a traditional scientist, so like a lab scientist or a field scientist. The other side of that, this degree is really fantastic for people that really love computational modelling or data analysis and data science, but that are looking for some context.
If you want to take those algorithms and that computational thinking and apply it to real scientific problems and real social problems, then that is more of a reason to do the Bachelor of Data Science.
You have to love to solve problems. So solving problems is one of those characteristics you really need to have. You need to have that sense of curiosity, and then we'll just help you along with the rest.